What's up, guys? I know that you've been looking for some YouTube content, and we're going to get to that, but right now it's all about HellSteel. HellSteel, Lucas, thank you so much for putting this kit together. I wanted to do this video so that everybody can see how great of a quality kit this is. Obviously, my car is running the first generation kit. Come on over here real quick and let's just take a look at the car. So obviously you can see the first generation kit, which comes up around, it's going to clear the air conditioning compressor. I don't have it on the car right now, but it does clear. It's also going to clear the power steering. It's an awesome kit. We made 709 horsepower, 609 foot-pounds of torque with this kit on a very mild setup. It could have went more, but we had some issues with some boost creep, and that's why we are where we're at right now. Not boost creep, we had issue with boost control. The 60 millimeter wastegate that I had was just opening up. It wouldn't make any more than 21 pounds of boost. But come over here and take a look at this. So as this kit comes around, we're going to have twin 44 tile wastegates so that we'll be able to control the boost really well. Come over to this. You've got your collector. It is obviously divided. This is a T4. He's going to make this for different setups, T3, V-band. Just reach out to him, reach out to Lucas at HellSteel. He'll get you set up with whatever you need for your turbo. It's got the brackets that are going to bolt up so everything is nice and sturdy. Comes with all your V-band clamps. But these manifolds, let's take a look at these real quick. The welds are impeccable. The flanges, I mean, the super thick, sturdy. These are going to last the test of time. When you come over to the car with these, I just want to show you. Obviously, you know, it might be hard to see right now, but this is actually going to come up and it's going to come straight across instead of having this weird hump. It's going to actually make it look a lot cleaner. I'm super pumped to get this installed. I can't wait to show it to you guys. We're going to get this over to Sound Performance once we get this installed, get it back on the dyno. We're going to break some records and we're going to have a lot of fun doing it. Thanks, guys.